Thank you for joining us for this orientation for new students at Woodland Community College. The Woodland Community College counselors welcome you to one of the finest colleges in California. A word to our Spanish-speaking friends, bienvenidos. If you would like help in understanding the information presented in this orientation, we invite you to visit the counseling office and meet with one of our bilingual counselors. What is your educational goal? That's a very important question that you always want to keep in mind. What can you accomplish at Woodland Community College? Well, you can earn an Associate in Arts or Associate in Science degree. You can earn a certificate. You can prepare for transfer to a four-year college or university. You can take courses to advance in your career. You can develop skills for a new career. Or you can study in areas of personal interest to you. We're very proud of our beautiful, well-equipped campus in the city of Woodland and of the Colusa County Outreach Facility located in Williams. We have a diverse student population, diverse both in terms of age and ethnicity. Small class size is a hallmark of Woodland Community College. By contrast, many colleges and universities have classes with as many as 100 or 150 students in them. We offer distance education through online courses, and you may decide to participate in one or more online courses. We have an outstanding array of student support services offered by an outstanding student services staff, and lots of student activities which you may choose. Woodland Community College offers affordable high-quality education, and we mean affordable to virtually everyone. Be sure to visit the financial aid website and visit the financial aid office in person to learn about the various ways in which aid can be secured to help you with your finances. Some important definitions. A full-time student is one who is enrolled in 12 or more units in a fall or spring semester. A unit of credit represents one class hour of lecture time each week of a fall or spring semester. But careful, 2 hours of homework are generally expected for each lecture hour in class. The AA or AS degree requires 60 units of credit. And there are specific course requirements that must be met, including general education and major courses for each specific degree. Community colleges are typically called two-year colleges, on the theory that a student can attend for 4 semesters, taking 15 units in each of those semesters, and earn the 60 units required for graduation. Well, in practice, most students require more time than that. Summer sessions can help. Courses are offered in a condensed 6-week period, and students who attend both fall and spring semesters and summer sessions can make more rapid progress toward their degree. Basic skills in English, math, and reading are critically important for success in college, and many students find that they have to spend a little time honing those basic skills in order to do good work in more advanced courses. We offer many evening courses to help fit courses into your life schedule. Some important definitions again. The catalog, published each year, contains academic regulations, specific requirements for degrees and certificates, student services, course offerings. The content of the catalog changes each year. Catalog rights. Your degree requirements are based on the catalog in effect when you begin your studies at Woodland Community College, provided that you enroll in at least one semester each calendar year as you progress toward your degree. The schedule of classes that is published each semester is also available online. It lists the class offerings, the days, the times, and their instructors. The Student Handbook includes information on student rights and responsibilities, college services, and the Code of Conduct. Web Advisor That's an important online tool that you're going to become very familiar with. It's the way today's college students register, pay their fees, view their grades, check their financial aid status, and much more. You'll learn that you can access WebAdvisor through the My Campus portal. That will be discussed in your counseling session. Academic regulations. It's important to know the rules. Attendance. It's your responsibility to attend classes regularly and to officially drop classes you need to drop. Notice the emphasis on the word officially. Disappearing from a class is not officially dropping the class. You need to do that via WebAdvisor or go to the Office of Admissions and Records for assistance. A prerequisite is a course you must pass before enrolling in a more advanced course. For example, mathematics courses run from more elementary courses to more advanced ones, and many math courses have a prerequisite, a lower level course that you must take and successfully pass before taking the more advanced course. Co-requisite. That's a course you must take at the same time you're enrolled in another course. You can think of co-requisites as pairs of courses that you have to take during the same semester. Grades. Most courses are graded on what we call a letter-graded basis, A, B, C, D, or F. Some courses are graded with pass-no-pass grading. In those courses, a P is assigned in place of an A, B, or C, and an NP, standing for no pass, in place of a D or an F. An incomplete. An incomplete is a temporary grading symbol indicating that your work in a course is incomplete. Instructors can assign an incomplete grade only on the basis of prearrangement, on the basis of a circumstance that is extraordinary and that is beyond the control of the student. For example, documented hospitalization. Be careful. An incomplete reverts to an F if the required makeup work is not satisfactorily completed, usually in the term immediately following the term in which the course was taken. Grade points. Grade points are assigned for each unit of credit according to this scale. 4 grade points are assigned to each unit of A, 3 grade points for a unit of B, 2 grade points for a unit of C, 1 grade point for each unit of D, and no grade points in the case of an F. Grade point average. That's computed by taking the total grade points and dividing by the total units attempted. Let's look at an example. Let's say that in a given term you enrolled in 3 courses, English, Math, and Spanish. The English was a 4-unit course, the Math course 3 units, and the Spanish course another 4-unit class. Let's say you earned an A in the English class. Well, remember, you get 4 grade points for each unit of A. So 4 times 4, 16 grade points for the English class. In the case of Math, you got a B. Remember, you get 3 grade points for each unit. 3 times 3, that's 9. Spanish, you got a C. Remember, 2 grade points per unit. 2 times 4, that's 8. Now then, to calculate that grade point average, we're going to add up the units. That's 11. Add up the grade points, 33, and then divide the total grade points, 33, by the total units, 11. So for this term, you have a grade point average of 3.00. Course repetition. Most courses can be taken only once. You may repeat a course once to improve a substandard grade, a D, an F, or a no pass. Certain designated activity courses can be repeated to improve skills. Probation and dismissal. A low grade point average and/or failure to make satisfactory academic progress can lead to serious problems. Failure to make satisfactory academic progress means that you withdrew from too many courses in which you enrolled. There are critical deadline dates associated with each course, and I want to go over them with you. There is an add deadline. If you're unable to enroll in a class before the semester begins and you want to add that class to your schedule, you must obtain permission from the instructor and you must go to the Office of Admissions and Records and complete your enrollment in the course on or before that add deadline. After that, it's just too late. There's a refund deadline associated with each course. If you drop a course on or before that refund deadline, you'll be eligible for a refund of the fees associated with that course. The drop without a W deadline, that's about 20% of the way through the course. And if you drop the course on or before that deadline, you will not have a W or a withdrawal symbol appear on your academic record. The pass/no-pass deadline, that's about 30% of the way through the class. Remember that I told you most courses are graded on an A, B, C, D, or F basis, and a few courses graded pass/no-pass. Well, you will have an opportunity to elect pass/no-pass grading for a limited number of letter-graded courses. If you make a decision to do that, it must be documented in the Office of Admissions and Records on or before the pass/no-pass deadline for the course, which, as I said, is about 30% of the way through the term, or that class if it's a short class. Careful. That pass/no-pass decision is an irrevocable decision. Once you decide you want pass/no-pass grading for a course, you can't change your mind after that. And you want to be careful about making that election because many transfer institutions strictly restrict the number of units that can be transferred with pass/no-pass grades. A withdrawal deadline, that's about 3/4 of the way through the class, and that's the last date on which you can drop the class. If you remain enrolled after that withdrawal deadline, you must remain enrolled through the final examination. There are financial aid and scholarship deadlines which you'll want to pay attention to make sure that you take advantage of all the aid that you may be eligible to receive. Your success as a student is our principal goal at Woodland Community College, and we have an array of student services. We're here to help you. I want to run through a few of these for you. The Academic Reading Center to help students with reading challenges. The CalWorks program to assist students who are receiving financial assistance through the county. The CARE program for TANF benefit recipients. The Career Center to help you explore career possibilities and perhaps choose a career that will set your life direction. The Child Development Center to assist students who are responsible for the care of young children. Counseling service to assist you in setting goals, choosing your courses, and many more aspects of planning. The Disabled Students Programs and Services to assist students with disabilities. The Educational Opportunity Programs and Services to assist students who are disadvantaged in terms of education and financial matters. Financial aid, we've talked about that, a very valuable resource. Student health services to assist with health problems. The Transfer Center to help students explore the different possibilities at colleges and universities, finding the one that will best meet their needs for transfer. The Tutoring Center that tutors students in a variety of subject matters. The TRIO program that serves students who are first-generation students in their family, meaning that they're the first student in their family to apply and be enrolled in college. the Veterans Affairs Services to help students take fullest advantage of the veterans benefits that are awarded them in thanking them for their military service. Writing and Math Center to help students with problems in those areas. Well, you're almost a Woodland Community College student. Apply for admission, of course, that first step that you've probably already completed. A step that you're going to do is to take the placement exam. This test measures your English, math, and reading skills to assist you and your counselor in selecting your courses. I want to emphasize that this is not an entrance exam on the basis of which we decide whether you are eligible to attend the college. You can't fail this placement exam. It measures your skills. Then you'll attend a counseling session. You'll get important help in setting your academic goals and in selecting your program and courses. The next step is for you to make your placement testing appointment. When you've completed this online orientation and taken the brief quiz that follows it, your next step will be to call the Admissions and Records Office to make a placement testing appointment. Your placement test will be scored immediately after you take it, and you'll be given a report of your scores. And at that time, you'll make an appointment for your required counseling session. Then you'll attend your scheduled counseling session. You and your counselor will develop the list of classes you'll take during your first semester at Woodland Community College. Following completion of your counseling session, you will be granted permission to register on or after your priority registration date. Then you'll register and pay your fees using WebAdvisor, enrolling in the courses that you planned on, and of course, pay any applicable fees. Be sure to check your Woodland Community College email regularly. Official college communications will be sent to that email address. Don't miss out. At your counseling session, you'll learn how to forward your Woodland Community College email to any other email account you may have. If you have any questions, please visit the counseling office in Building 700. We want to help you succeed as you begin your studies at Woodland Community College. This concludes the online orientation. Now it's time to take a brief quiz. One bit of good news on this quiz: you can't fail it, but you do have to answer each question. Thanks for participating in this orientation, and please accept our best wishes for your success as a student at Woodland Community College.